Alright guys, it's time to get this shop organized. We had it packed full of stuff because of the move, so it's time to get this more organized. We're going to start by taking a bunch of stuff out and then putting it back in. I'm going to just pull that generator out so we can have some lights. So, let's get started. Go on, guys. All right. Alright, we are back. Generator in, I guess. Now the heavy part, I gotta get this generator out. Start over here at the welding station. I got my a Lincoln welder and my cheapest plasma cutter on Amazon over here. And the plan is we're gonna have good electric here for the welders and stuff. We're also gonna have 220 for I can get a bigger welder. Whoa, that's a big spider. Look at this spider. I mean, it's not as big as some of the tarantulas I've seen, but spider. Anyway, so I think we start with here. We got the welder and the carts here. So I think we start here, clean some more of this up here real quick. Maybe get some more grinder holders on the thing, and need to find a place to put all these chargers. So let's get to it. Go put this can in with the other recyclables with the fuel prices right now. Need to start saving cans just to pay fuel. All right. Alright. Don't know what this was, but gone. Alright, we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna put up one more of the hangers. Like right here. Alright. Actually, I think this one goes over here. That was for my smaller one. Alright. So, there's that. These screws over here. Putting these on. These heads of these screws are too big, I think. We can use a magnet strip. I got a magnet strip. We can use that, I guess. But I don't know, see where I'm going to put it. So, hold on, I'm going to figure this out. Alright guys, I found a solution. A few years ago I made these for my nephew when I first got my, I made some brackets for my nephew when I first got my welder. And for his drones, in his room. Anyway, he don't have drones no more, so took my hooks back. Sooner or later, I have to go pick all those up that I dropped on the floor. And that's that. And y'all notice the generator's off. Well, we ran out of gas again. I don't know why the thing's using so much gas. So there's that. We got the chip hammers up. Move out of this area. go on to the next area. And I'm going to lay up some stuff I have over here. Another welding project, which is going to be a video soon. Let me... Camera right here. Bit of a welding project coming up soon on the channel. It's going to be my 3.8 frame for under $20 using materials that I found around that I've already had. So other than buying these, that's where the $20 come in. Or under $20 part coming in. So we're going to do that soon. Alright, let's get to another spot. Alright, I think I want to drag my grinder over this way. Or my vise and my grinder. Easier to take my bag stuff off. Like right here. I think that'd be good. Right there. Close to the welding table. Alright. That's a little better. Gotta get some trash bags. We're gonna get some trash bags and start this back. Got a lot of trash to pick up here. Actually, might be part 2 of this eventually too, because I don't know if we're gonna do it all in this video. All of this is gonna be cleaned out. The sub panel is gonna go right in there. I plan on putting a 2-stage air compressor here eventually. We got the tire machine over there, the lathe over there, drill press over there. I need to get a workbench right here. And yeah. So I'm gonna find some trash bags and we'll get started again once I get some trash bags. Alright, off camera I picked up some trash. It's still got more trash to go here. Another thing off camera, I welded in these 2 metal bars right here. Put a board across here to put up pegboard. I gotta put another piece right here. And then the workbench will go up in here. Also got to weld up a piece over here to mount the sub panel to. Clean all this off. This was stuff that was already here other than those 2 belts. It was already here. I got to get that cleaned up into the trash. I got to get something to put all this stuff in. This is all miscellaneous stuff. I need another toolbox in here. I kind of wanted one of those toolbox workbench ones with the, you know, the drawers and stuff. Kind of want that for right here. For all that extra stuff I have. But we got the welding area done here. As soon as we get electric, we'll get some electric plugs ran over here. And yeah, that part's done. So stay tuned, guys. This is going to be the end of this video. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be doing more work on this shop. This is going to be a full series. We'll be doing more work on this shop. Electrical stuff. Moving more stuff in here. Getting this shop set up. So stay tuned, guys, for the whole video series of getting this shop set up. Anyway, guys, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching. Anyway, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you don't mind, share this out. Let's make this one of the best small engine channels on YouTube, guys. I hope to see y'all next one. See y'all next time in the shop.